Tom Yum Chicken Coconut Curry, a dish designed to delight the entire family, whether paired with noodles or pasta. Welcome back to Burmawala Kitchen, where culinary adventures abound. Let's get into the creation of this masterpiece by first dicing 1 kilogram of succulent chicken breast into small cubes. Now, onto the medley of spices to marinate our chicken. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of paprika powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of mild chili powder, 1 tablespoon of dhania jeera, 2 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of MSG for those who indulge, a teaspoon each of turmeric powder and black pepper powder, and finally 3 tablespoons of garlic paste. Give this aromatic blend a thorough mix and let it marinate for 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to intertwine. This is an absolutely delicious recipe. In a medium heated wok pan, add a 1/4 cup of oil and introduce 2 chopped onions. Fry them until they achieve a delightful translucency, a process that will take a few minutes, about 10. Now add our marinated chicken cubes, frying them alongside the onions on high heat to impart a magnificent sear. The divine aroma wafting through your kitchen will serve as a testament to the culinary magic unfolding. This step will take approximately 6 minutes. Once the chicken and onions have formed a harmonious union, it's time to introduce 1½ cups of coconut milk. Gently mixing it in. For those who prefer a thinner curry, add half a cup of water. A personal preference that enhances the dish's versatility. Give it another quick mix. Now let the star of our dish shine. Add 2 tablespoons of tom yum paste, raising the flavors to unprecedented heights. One final mix, bring it to a gentle boil, cover with a lid, and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Remarkably quick to prepare, this dish rivals any takeaway option and is bound to become a household favorite. Behold the Tom Yum Chicken Coconut Curry, an absolute delight for the senses. Finish it off with a garnish of fresh coriander, adding that final touch of finesse that sets this dish apart. While it can be served with rice, tonight we opt for spaghetti and pasta. Garnish the pasta with some crunchy chili oil, crispy phyllo pastry, and, of course, a sprinkle of coriander. Let's quickly prepare the pasta dish for the whole family. The kids love this style of pasta. As we conclude this culinary journey, I extend my gratitude for joining me once again. If you relish this recipe, Do let me know your thoughts and suggestions for future culinary endeavours. Happy cooking!